What's up, guys? This is an unboxing on a thing that I've been waiting on for a long time, really long time. But I found it, and here it is. So let's open it with my custom cold steel G&P. Here we go. And now this is not the original box. So stay calm, guys. Stay calm. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here it is. It's a G&P M870 full metal. Damn, this is sweet. Oh yeah, I love it. Damn, this is nice. Oh my god, that's awesome. Ah, let me give you a better look. That's awesome. Oh, that's sweet. Let's have a look. There should be another magazine in here. It's somewhere around here. So yeah, G&P M870 CQB, full metal. And this one is going to be a going to buy a new body for it, and it's going to be a master key for my M4. So stay tuned. I will have a review on this, and thank you for watching.